Hello, my name is Jayashree Ayubu from Class 8 of Excel Public School.
I'm Ishan Gangraj from Class 8, Excel Public School.
India generates millions of tons of floral waste every year, especially from temples. These flowers are offered with devotion, but once discarded, they often end up in landfills or water bodies. Because many flowers are treated with pesticides and chemicals, they pollute rivers, harm aquatic life, and produce methane when left to rot. We wanted to find a solution that respects both the environment and the cultural value of these offerings.
During our research, we learned that India has over 6 lakh temples and the floral waste from these places is massive. Some organizations like Fool.co and Nirmalaya are already transforming temple waste into incense sticks and compost. This inspired us to create something meaningful using simple, natural materials.
Our primary research also supported this idea. 86% of people said they would definitely love to buy eco friendly items, and more than 75% showed interest in biodegradable packaging sheets. Temple priests, too, expressed concern about managing flower waste and welcomed sustainable solutions.
So we designed two eco-friendly products using discarded temple flowers, biodegradable idols, and packaging sheets. These are made up using agar-agar, glycerine, and flower powder, completely natural and safe for the environment. The idols can naturally disintegrate in soil, and the sheets can replace conventional plastic wraps.
Our process is simple. We dry the flowers, powder them, and mix the powder with agar gel prepared by heating agar and water. After adding glycerine for flexibility, we add flour powder. The mixture is then poured into molds for idols or spread onto a flat surface for sheets. Once dried for 24 to 48 hours, we get strong, flexible, and biodegradable products.
What makes our idea unique is that it closes the loop. Temple waste returns to nature in a meaningful way. It is environmentally safe, culturally respectful, low cost, and scalable for communities or temples, and easy to adopt.
Through this project, we aim to reduce waste, promote sustainability, and show how simple innovations can make a big difference. Thank you.
Thank you.